In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Fortnite on Samsung phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you go and see Fortnite in the Google Play Store, it can be quite frustrating, but don't worry, you can still play it. So what you want to do is go over to Google, then go over to Google Chrome, and then we just want to go ahead and type in download Fortnite, like so, and then click on it. Then you're going to see Fortnite.com is the very first option, so just go ahead and click on that. It's going to say play Fortnite, get Fortnite from the Epic Games Store for mobile. So what it's going to say is get it on the Epic Games Store. If it doesn't say get it on Google Play, or if you click the Google Play button and it doesn't take you to Google Play, then just press this one where it says get it on Epic Games Store. So what we're going to have to do is download the Epic Games Store. It's going to just press download anyway, and then let it install on your device. Now, I already have it, so I'll be showing you exactly what to do. But once you have the Epic Games Store downloaded, then from here, what you want to do is just go over to Games from Epic, then go over to Fortnite and then click the download button. In my instance, it's update, but then it's just going to be downloading. And then, yeah, then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.